everyone, it's Nezzle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel Nezzle and to another vlog. In today's video we are hashing in Castaigne in St. Andrew and it's already started. It's looking like it'll be quite a fun one. We're currently right here by the river and we're about to cross, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Where am I going? Guys, this is precarious. My feet are shaking. Come across here. Ah! Where are you going? I went this way. You went this way? Yeah. Welcome. But you have to jump either way.
Step down.
Go along on this one?
No, the wet one.
Let's step.
Normal, don't step as though you're free. Just step as normal.
I don't step normal.
Which is the strong foot? Your right foot?
Strong foot.
He's gonna catch you, jump towards this. Yeah, jump towards this.
What?
Put your 2 foot on the last stone and then jump towards this and this.
But you have to get good there. If you put it there, I'm gonna make it.
Shanazzy, you can do it.
Let's go in the way.
Shanazzy, jump. Shanazzy, you have to jump forward. Your waist has to be towards.
No,
this one here, right in front of you. Shanazzy, the one right in front of you.
Yes, you will make it.
Yes, you will. Shanazzy, get both hands. Shanazzy, come on. Jump.
Easier than it is.
Boom. Oh my goodness. Careful.
Sorry?
You can't step down now. And there's so much dry stones ahead of you.
I know, but they look
Shanazzy, go on.
Okay, thank you. I pray we don't have to pass back here.
That was entertaining.
For you! My heart rate is 154.
Wow, that is really scary.
Yes!
Hold on. Wait.
That
You should have walked over there.
was the worst.
Hold me on, son.
Empty machine, sorry.
Oh wow.
Guys, that was an experience. This is the other side of the river here. It's a lot deeper than the path we passed on. As you can see, it's really beautiful. And you can see up here, it's canopy.
We got everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
So this circle here, so just any direction, but it's kind of this way, so we're going this way. This is really beautiful, guys. Just a lovely peaceful spot. I'm going through here. Woo. Yep. Alright, so we just came back out on the road, but I think we're going right back into the bush. Oh, so we're supposed to come out here?
Right.
Yeah. So it turns out we came out in the wrong place. We're supposed to come out here. So there's some people here. It might be a false trail. We're gonna find out. If it is, we have to turn back. There's a lot of banana trees on the right hand side here. You can see some of them in the blue bags. The sky is not looking too bad. It's a bit overcast. but you can still see the pieces of blue peeking through. So walkers will go straight or that way, and we are going to do the runners. So you see they are here, goes down this path. Although bear in mind, we do not actually run the runners, we're walking the runners, but the runners is usually a longer route. Hi. Yeah, it does feel like you're walking in a dream. Guys, we're literally in the bushes today, in the river, in the bush. Guys, today was not the one to wear armless on, because these razor grass are like cutting me up and it's very uncomfortable. My skin feels really off. I have to spend so much time out in the bush, in the water. My skin is like on fire. Yeah, this was a long sleeve water boots hash for sure. Comment, let us know if you know what this is. You have to climb up on this ridiculous thing here now.
Give us your hands and we'll pull you up. Step.
Guys, this is an experience to remember.
Because I don't even find a pull of that hard. But you were dragging.
Because I released my power to you. Guys, I just fell.
Stars align onto your face. Pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought
We've been going for 29 minutes already.
Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
But yeah, it's still
Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty body lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty body lies all the answers. Oh, watch me.
I was supposed to go up there.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it all.
Guys, it's a nutmeg tree. As you can see, I don't see any open ones.
Watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
So we're doing the long runners. That's what is there. So we're going this way.
We got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty body lies all the answers.
Another nutmeg tree here, a big one. Hey guys, this one is a big one. You could actually see one there. There's a couple that's open actually.
Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty body lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you want when I feel you. In the empty bottle lights on the answer. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Guys, there's a huge bull up there. Okay, it's not that big actually. It's kind of small.
That is a pretty big bull.
It is? I find it's kind of small. It's coming after you, Tanya. Oh, we're off in another path yet. Yes? I'm just gonna stay in the green. Cool. Hi, Paul.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Okay, so we're heading in here.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
Guys, it's a nice section here. Has a nice cover and it's nice and cool and relaxing.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Hope you guys are enjoying hashing with us. Don't forget to thumbs it up if you are. Let's go.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Noni. The pure all fruit. Noni. Check out the roots. It's intriguing.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
creeping back down into the bush. Alright guys, you have to choose runners here.
Okay.
Oh, walkers there. Guys, you stick into the runners. Oh, a nutmeg. Guys, here's a nutmeg. It's all I found on the ground. So you can see it up close and personal. You have the mace on the outside and the nutmeg here. And it smells so good. It smells like my childhood, to be honest. Because my grandmother always used to have spices that she would sell and stuff. And she also used to make baskets with bamboo. So I grew up smelling nutmeg a lot. Into the bush we go again. Oh, we got some stairs. Oh, nice.
Staircase.
I guess so we got some rain. It's actually drizzling a bit still. But oh my gosh, it's a big concrete. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so we were sheltering for a bit under a tree. And now we're trying to head in. We're hearing the ceremony happening. So we're not too far away. There's a beautiful coconut tree. The rain has made the trail definitely more slippery now, so you have to be extra careful. Alright, so walkers go this way and runners go that way. So, to come up an incline, it was murderous.
Just watch me break it.
Guys, oh my gosh, this is worth it. Castaigne Waterfall, guys. Look at the pool. It's so beautiful. And the waterfall here. The perks are sticking to the plan. We did the runners all the way through. And we get to take in the beautiful waterfall.
I'm on top of the world! There you go, Shimon! Oh!
Guys, this is beautiful. Where the waterfall is coming out here. This is going to be the experience.
Hold on to the rope.
This is a eventful hash, guys.
Give your all to the rope.
This reminds me of Golden Falls.
You see where I put my foot?
Yeah.
Yeah. and then slack down a little bit on the rope.
Let's see, you good there? Very fine.
Slack down on the rope. Slack down on the rope. Right. And then all down. Pulling the rope, coming down, come down. Pulling the rope, coming down. Pulling the rope, coming down until your feet reach. Good. Right.
Yeah. Come back.
And
Slow.
bring down that leg.
Bring down the back leg. You're trying to land here.
You're holding the rope too high up there. You need to hold it lower. Right. Hold the rope lower.
Right.
Yeah, so the shoe was definitely the problem.
Beautiful.
Right.
Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed hashing with us. Today was quite an eventful one, but it was really fun. So if you enjoyed it, thumbs it up so I'll know. Leave a comment in the comment section, let me know your thoughts on it. And of course, subscribe if you're new, or if you have not yet subscribed, and join the Nezzle Fam. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!